project today is I wanted to do a full top-level review of the new AVIN USA AVANT 4 that is in my E53 X5. But what I do want to do is show some of the native functionality, how the navigation works, how the Bluetooth works, how you work your way through the UI itself, because it's really a pretty significant change from the AVANT 3, at least on how it looked. There's a whole new tile system instead of icons, and it really looks really sharp. But I wanted to be able to give you that view so you can decide when you install this into your car, you'll know what it's going to look like, and you know how it's going to work. So now, there's no way that I'm going to be able to explore every single possible function, every single possible installed application, especially since this is an Android system and you can download all kinds of applications and different things. So it's really impossible for me to go through every conceivable application. But what I really want to do is walk through some of the basic functionality, how to get into the system setup or the deeper system layers, and walk through the UI. So I'm going to flip slowly here to the end, because one of the key applications that you're going to be working with is the iBUS application. So let me launch that. So it's really vital that when you first get this all set up, that you go into the iBUS app, that you connect the display to the internet through your wireless or through a hotspot, launch the iBUS application, hit the little bars up here and open that up, and actually go all the way down to unlock. You'll see right here on the menu it says unlock. That's going to connect out to the internet. It's going to check the VIN registration for this display so it can talk to the car. So once that's done, iBUS will work, your controls will work, it'll be able to talk to the car.